I'm Dr. Josephine. I want to talk to you today briefly on rediscovering love and trust after divorce. I'm giving you 3 steps you need to take immediately. The number 1 is heal first. You need to heal. Divorce can be very bad for some people. It can be traumatic at times for some people. So you need to heal first. Number 2 step, set boundaries. And in setting boundaries, you must know your worth. Define your own worth and set the worth of the new partner you want to have. You have passed through a particular experience. You know what you don't want there. You know what made it to fail. You need to think about it and set the boundaries for a new relationship so that that new relationship could be a lasting one. And the 3rd step, you need to trust again. You trust, and in trusting again, you start with yourself. Trust yourself. How often do you think about trust? Trust is very critical. It's a master key to any kind of relationship. So, and the trust starts with yourself. Trusting yourself is self-care. Trusting yourself is self-love. When you trust yourself, then you will be able to trust others. You want to learn more? My call to action is for you to look at my description link. We can talk together. Let's take the first step together. You are not alone. I can help you to heal. I can help you and show you how to set boundaries. And I can help you to start trusting all over again. For any other information, check the description link. I just want to say, have a blessed day. Till next week, when I come with some other tips for you.